Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find all graphics settings in F1 24. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings, and then over here we want to go to graphics settings. Here we'll find a bunch of different settings that are of course related to graphics, like the screen brightness or even the motion blur strength. However, in addition to that, over here we have the advanced setup section, which is all related to graphics. And at first we have the detail preset, so here we can switch the preset of the graphics. We can choose between ultra low up to ultra high, and of course we can also set it to custom. And then you can also scroll down to change these options one by one individually or separately in order to adjust the graphics as you wish them to have. However, in addition to that, we also have the video mode, where over here we will find another list of options, including the resolution, the display mode, the aspect ratio, VSync, refresh rate, even the FPS limit, and so on and so forth. Here you can also change the anti-aliasing, you can enable or disable the dynamic resolution, you can enable frame generation if you use GeForce RTX 40 series, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!